Did you know how to grant extensions in quizzes in Canvas? It's actually a lot easier than you might think. Let's say you have a quiz or a link to a quiz, maybe in your course, or it's in your course syllabus, or maybe you just go over to the quizzes area. But either way, when you click on a quiz, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to the instructions of the quiz and where you can normally edit it. But over here, you'll notice where it says Moderate Quiz. If you click on this, you'll have a list of the students in your class. And when you click on the students' names, you'll have the option to change the extensions. For example, perhaps you want to extend the number of attempts a student can take. Or maybe you need to extend the time. Everybody already gets 15 minutes. Maybe I want to give a student 30 minutes. Or I want to extend it 15 minutes to give them a total of 30 minutes. What I can do is by clicking these buttons, I can set this and then change the rules for each individual student. It's really easy to do. Again, to get here, click on Quizzes and choose the quiz you want to go into. Or if you're at your home page, you can always click on the link that you have to that particular quiz. And once you're in the quiz, you'll have this little button that says Moderate Quizzes. And that's how you get there. Hope that helps.